In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp with Hubspot. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your business communication and connect with customers more efficiently. So let's dive right into it and take you through the steps to link these two powerful tools. First, let's head over to the Hubspot website. You can easily find this by searching for Hubspot in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll land on the Hubspot homepage. This is where all the magic starts. HubSpot provides a suite of tools that help businesses grow better, including marketing, CRM, sales, and customer service software. Now, once you're on the homepage, the next step is clicking on the Login button. This will prompt you to enter your credentials, ensuring that your accounts are secure and only accessible to you and your team. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage different aspects of your business. Now, to get to the integration options, you need to locate the marketplace icon. It's your gateway to enhancing your HubSpot experience with advanced features and apps. Click on that icon to proceed. Once you've entered the marketplace, the next thing you want to do is look for the apps section. This is where all available applications that can be integrated with HubSpot are listed. It's your one-stop shop for boosting HubSpot's capabilities, so go ahead and click on Apps. Now, with the Apps section open, it's time to find WhatsApp. To do this, simply type WhatsApp in the search bar. This will filter the results to show only apps that are related to WhatsApp, making it easier for you to find what you're looking for. Once you see WhatsApp Business in the search results, click on it. This app will connect your WhatsApp with HubSpot, allowing you to manage your customer interactions right from your HubSpot dashboard. Finally, after selecting WhatsApp Business, you will see an Install App button. Clicking on this will begin the integration process. It's a seamless interaction designed to make sure your WhatsApp messages now sync with your HubSpot account, bringing all your customer communication into one centralized location. And there you have it, a straightforward way to integrate WhatsApp with HubSpot. This powerful integration will help manage customer relationships smoothly and efficiently by ensuring communication is clear and coordinated across the board. If you have any other questions or run into any issues, HubSpot support is always a helpful resource. Enjoy your newly integrated experiences and happy communicating.